to Sunny Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, back again with Mzansi Soap Histories, and namhlanje sikhuluma ke ngeskim sam. Ngiyazi ukuthi abantu abaningi bajabulile ke izolo uma ngabe bona ukuthi ngampela ke finally umshado kaPretty kanye ke noLehasa ke uyenzeka after ke iminyaka eminingi neyinkinga ke eziningi ezavimbela ukuthi ke bagcine ke beshadile. But ke guys, there is a weapon formed against uPretty noLehasa. As much as bezoshada uPretty guys wadlula kukhwezi nangu ku Dr Blue guys. Dr Blue ufuna uLehasa la phela wamsiza ejele wamkhipha ejele njengoba engaphandle wetshela ukuthi mhlambe they will have a happily ever after, but ke uLehasa mase phumile usebuyela ke kuPretty wakhe. So guys ke the weapon formed against lo mshado kaPretty kanye ke noLehasa uyena ke guys uDr Blue. Namhlanje ke mangabe besivezela ke ama teasers ukuthi yini singase silindele, basivezele ukuthi ke uDr Blue will send a message to uPretty esho emkuthumela ke ilink yokushona ke wada bese yamtshela ukuthi umuntu ke obulele iwada indoda yakho ke uLehasa. Bathi ke guys ke the secret linked to Lehasa's uncle start to surface. Vele phela umalume uyena wenze umsebenzi but uhlangene vele noLehasa. Bese bethi ke fearing for his life. No Clement guys naye ke uyagowa ke na Clement uyagowa ngenxa ke yama drugs, but ke inkinga enkulu ke ilaphana ke kuphumulo kanye ke noLehasa. So we don't know guys ukuthi lo mshado uza nama blessings noma uza nama cases for uPretty, but ke uPretty guys uthandazile, so riyathemba gore modimo utlomthusa hle. So yeah guys, that brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.